Hello guys, I'm Nilesh Kharad and I'm having around 5+ years of experience. I'm currently working with a SaaS based startup, and on this channel we are going to talk about hidden roles in the corporate or in the IT sector. So today we are going to talk about incident management. So today we have our guest as manager. Sunil Kadu, over to you.
Hey, hello everyone. So my name is Sunil Kadu. Uh, I'm currently working with Cognizant Technology Solutions as a incident manager, as well as you can say service manager. I have total 4.5 years of experience as a IT service manager, and that's about myself. And as we are discussing about like the hidden roles in say infra roles, which are like big giant companies like TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, and Capgemini. So
Okay. So basically, Sunil, just help me understand what is incident management and a hierarchy which is placed in incident management. Like you are working as an incident manager, right?
yeah,
Please help me with understanding your role. What is your role and responsibilities?
okay. So giving very clear picture of incident manager. Incident is one thing. It is like a outage occurred in infrastructure in anywhere. It is if anything is broken somewhere, the people who are on site create one ticket, which is called as incident. They have the incident number for that, and that incident is when the incident is triggered, it comes to us. That is incident manager, and incident manager works on that ticket. So basically we do basic health checks, and then we transfer that ticket to L2 or L3 level experts. So basically we are L1s. We are the level 1 of any kind of outage.
Okay.
So we are facing outage directly, or we are basically checking the outage directly. So after manager, there are multiple teams which are uh, helping us to resolve the issues or resolve the outages.
Okay. So basically, let's consider an issue like if there is some build is teared down on the production, and
Yes.
you guys are the first level of defense, or the first person to act on that incident, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
Right.
okay, okay. Is there any specific tools that you guys use, or just maintaining some Excel sheets and all those things?
Yes, there are multiple tools in various companies. Like there is ServiceNow, there is Jira. ServiceNow is the tool that we are using currently in Cognizant, and ServiceNow is nothing but the a tool used to manage tickets, manage risk, manage incidents, manage service request, manage changes, manage like any kind of infrastructure procedures. They are use ServiceNow for that, and ServiceNow has very good plugins for monitoring tools like Splunk. Then we have plugins for CMDB. CMDB is nothing but the server's catalog, you can say.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
ServiceNow is ServiceNow have multiple plugins for that, and it is very comfortable to uh, use the tool. The guys like me, which don't who don't have that much of technical knowledge, but ServiceNow is making the things good for the non-technical people.
Okay. So let's clear this non-technical people. like what if a person or a new joinee uh, or a student who recently got graduated from the engineering or any college degree, right? So how can a fresher enter into this role, like if he has to go through some courses or some other things or some specific type of training?
Yes, ITSM have various courses, but
Mm-hmm.
the very prominent course we can say it is ITIL. ITIL means IT infrastructure library. So ITIL ITIL is a framework for ITSM, we can
Okay.
say.
Mm-hmm.
So in ITSM also there is like multiple courses. We have change management, we have service management, we have incident management, we have risk management, we have problem management. Multiple courses are there, and you
Okay.
can do that courses on Udemy. You can do that courses on ServiceNow itself. ServiceNow is providing training for that
Okay.
also. And also upgrade is and also one more question you asked, like how can a new graduate people join the
Mm-hmm.
incident manager or non-technical part of the IT.
Mm-hmm.
So companies like Cognizant, companies like TCS, Capgemini, they are bulk hiring the campus people to join those kind of roles,
Mm-hmm.
which are infrastructure services. Basically, these companies are operating on the infrastructure because they are helping other companies to build their infrastructure, manage their infrastructure. So these companies hiring people in bulk, and they are providing those infrastructure services jobs to the people who are joined the company recently.
Okay. 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 Got it. Got it. So you mean to say there is no coding part involved in your work, right?
In IT service management there is no coding part. Okay. There is one another thing which is like service now development,
Mm-hmm.
where you can say that there is coding. IT service management, the incident management, the problem management, the change management guys are uh, they must have the knowledge of infrastructure, but they don't need to do coding. They don't need to have deep knowledge of the infrastructure, but the basic knowledge they must have, because basic job of the manage IT service manager is to communicate the issues with the higher management, communicate the issues with the SMEs. SME means subject matter experts. So they must know the issue, they must know the infrastructure, they must know the situation. They don't need to go deep down, but they need to know the basics.
Okay. Okay. No issues. Okay. Uh, so let's talk about the next part, like opportunities in the sector. Like, are there any opportunities, or what is the future for growth?
Yeah, there is lots of opportunities in IT service management. If you want to come in IT service management, you must complete the ITIL course from any platform. You can do it. You can do it from Udemy. You can do it from ServiceNow. You can do it from ITIL website itself.
Mm-hmm.
You must complete the ITIL certificate, then you come to the IT service management. And also, I can say that not only the incident management L1 level, but the people who are experts in incident management or infrastructure management,
Mm-hmm.
they are going ahead as like they are getting manager positions, they are getting senior manager positions, uh, director level of positions, I can say. So it is not like you just need to do some kind of coding or some kind of uh, programming courses.
Okay.
You can come as a non-technical person and gain knowledge and then go to the management positions as well. So yeah, progress is there definitely. And also uh, salary is also good. If you are having 3 to 4 years of experience, then you will definitely get the double digit salary in MNCs.
Okay, okay. So, what is the salary band for freshers? Like for the for people, for candidates who are recently got graduated from the institutions.
Yes, yes. Okay, so for freshers, the salary range is as usual in India. We can say 4 to 6 LPA,
Hmm.
uh, and it increases with your experience.
So as you know, there is a lot of AI boom is going on in the IT industry. Like
Yeah.
AI can replace developers 100% and all those things. So what is your take, or what is your thought on AI? Like, can AI replace incident manager, or basically the you?
I don't think so, because as I know, the things are if things are happening incorrectly in the infrastructure,
Mm-hmm.
there must be someone to take the accountability for that. So that accountable person is incident manager or problem manager or uh, risk manager. So um, I don't think that AI will take our job, because there are some parts of our processes that might be replaced by AI, but I don't think that incident manager's job is completely replaceable by AI. The accountability of the issue, accountability of the situation, accountability of the outage will be taken care by someone who is in person, who is in charge of that uh, services. So AI can't take that responsibility. I don't think so.
Okay, okay, okay. So here I'm having another question. So basically, you're working with Cognizant as a incident manager since last
Yeah.
4 years. So please tell me about your experience at Cognizant as a incident manager, like your the best experience and worst experience as a incident manager. Like we often say here developers saying, so this got teared down on a production and I got scolded from my manager, right?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
any incident something like this that has happened to you?
Uh, mm, as no, I'm not saying that it in bad way, but
Hmm.
yeah, some incidents will take your time like 2 to 3 days to resolve,
Okay.
because some incidents will be occurring by vendors like AWS, vendors like Microsoft, and they also don't know how to resolve those issues.
Hmm.
Even their engineers also don't know how to resolve those issues, and those calls will run 2 to 3 days, and it will take your so much time. It will drain your mind so much,
Okay.
and because we are working as incident manager, we have to take note of everything means from small details to the big steps taken, big changes taken. So we have to make sure that you gather every information, you note it down, you make the note of it and make the document of it and provide it to the higher management.
Okay.
So yeah, that is the challenge I have faced in my incident manager role. And good thing about the incident manager role that people appreciate you more. If you are handling one ticket since last 3 to 4 hours, and with you also there are like support teams are there,
Hmm.
and support teams will acknowledge you. Support teams will acknowledge your efforts you are putting in the incident, you are putting in the outage, and also because you are doing lots of work. You are updating the incident work notes, you are updating the higher management, you are updating the support teams as well. So that thing, support team acknowledges, their managers acknowledge that. I got lots of acknowledgements on mail, on teams, on in person. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that acknowledgement feels like very it means to you more,
Okay, okay.
and help you to grow more. So yeah, that's the good thing I can say.
Okay, great. So great, Sunil. It was great talking to you. Let's get back to one. I have one more, the last question. Let's take an example. Uh, Suppose you are working with Amazon and there is some issue, like people can't buy anything. Okay,
Yeah.
so from start to end, who notices the thing, like obviously the user is going to notice the error, the bug at first place, right? So
Yeah.
who is the first person to take this thing uh, as a bug and note it down as a ticket, and after that your actual work gets started, right? So
Yeah.
I want to understand about that one person who takes that bug as a who puts that bug as a ticket on your side.
Okay. Just you said that it is an example. So if Amazon is not having if Amazon is having some issues on their end,
Mm-hmm.
so what normal people do, as they call the customer care or service desk. So what service desk do? Service desk raise one ticket,
Mm-hmm.
and it to us forward to incident manager. Then we check the like what the problem is, like is it on server end, is it on network end, is it on any kind of infrastructure level. So what we do the basic checks, and then we call the L2 level or L3 level POC to check on that. uh, so acknowledging the ticket, then going to the L2, going to the L3. Then if the priority is high, so one more thing that we did not discuss in this call. So incident have the priority levels, like P1 is the most critical, P2 is the partial criticality, and P3 is the normal criticality. And there is P4 P5 as well. So I am working in the major incident manager. I am dealing with P1 and P2s only. So we have to make sure that we call the customer, and we ask
Mm-hmm.
them the what is the issue, and what's the impact of the issue due to what is the impact on the business due to that issue. So according to that, we assess the priority, and we declare the ticket as P1, P2, P3, whatever it is. After declaring that, then we have to make sure that we use the checklist for P1, we use the checklist for P2, we use the checklist for P3. So those checklists are made by our organization and our projects. So every project, the checklist will be different. For every organization, that checklist will be different.
Okay, okay.
Uh, yeah. Going forward to the support teams, then we get the POC, get the details of the issue, get the root cause of the issue. After that, we document everything. After that, we proceed it with the root cause analysis call, then document the root cause, document the preventables, document the next action plans to avoid such kind of issues in future, then document the knowledge base articles. So yeah, that's the process we follow. Then we resolve the ticket, and we get the confirmation from customers as well if the issue is resolved or not. So that is the process we follow. First ticket goes to first service desk raise the ticket, then goes to B, it goes to us, incident manager, management, then it goes to the support teams.
Thank you for joining this call. It was a great pleasure talking to you and knowing about the opportunities in the service now tool and incident management.
Yeah.
Right.
Nilesh, thank you so much for calling me and thank you so much for bringing me here.
We will always keep bringing such videos. So like, share, and subscribe, guys. So you will get notified with the latest hidden jobs, IT roles. Yes. So thank you, Sunil.
Thank you. Thank you, Nilesh. Bye.